Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. So same venue, Hashimpura Properties, Batting Paradise, Fatehgarh, Sialkot. So Haji Sarfraz has won the toss and decided to bat first. It's a four-over match. It's a final match of this a day. So it's a big opportunity for a Haji Sarfraz to bounce back and to prove himself that he can do everything whatever you are expecting. So Haji Sarfraz and Shibaz Bhai both are a sensible batsman. They are always trying to set a good example for his team members. But the team members are not interested to do something. So get ready to watch the first ball of this afternoon. Asam Bhai is the bowler. Shibaz is the batsman. A little man is a dangerous man. So it's a do and die situation for the both teams. One has to win and one has to lose. It's a part of game, but your effort always shows your determination that you are the best. Ground shot, that should be a single. The fielder is still over there. Haji Shbaz is the batsman. He's such a skillful batsman, such a sensible batsman. He has the guts to bounce back in each and every kind of a situation. So actually, it's a do and die situation. He has to prove himself that he can do everything. Asamba is the bowler. Perfect Yarka. Oh, that is truly very unfortunate. Low. Rahil Bhai is the batsman. Assam is the bowler. Perfect Yorker this time. There is such no association between ball and bat. There is a huge gap between ball and bat. Assam is truly a skillful bowler. Always try to utilize his experience. Akmal? Sorry, Akmal is the bowler. Akmal Bhai is the bowler. Truly a fast and furious. The ball is moving like a bullet. So Sialkot Express, Akmal Bhai. Rahil Bhai is in trouble. Akmal is the bowler. Ground shot, that should be a single.
No single.
Awais Bhai is the fielder. But the batsmen are not interested to take the single. Shwaz Bhai has decided to bounce back. He has to take the responsibility and to prove himself that he can do everything, whatever you are expecting. It's a truly a critical situation. It's truly a do and die situation for the both teams. So Amanullah is the bowler, such a great all-rounder. In the previous match, he has proved himself that he is the best. He is truly a man of honor. Ekran? Sure.
Shivaz bhai angry.
So little man is a dangerous man. Shibaz Bhai, man of honor. He has to do something very special. Manullah Bhai. Oh, what a shot through the mid wickets. That should be a six. Hashimpura Properties 10 on 10 6. A little man is a dangerous man. He is looking very aggressive. He has decided to spoil the reputation of everyone, doesn't matter who he is. So Manullah Bhai has to do something very special. The next ball of this over. Oh, he is looking truly a fast and furious, truly a huge wide. The final decision is a wide ball. The next ball of this over. Good shot. Oh, that was very unfortunate. Shbaz Bhai has to. Shbaz Bhai is not interested to take the single. There is a little confusion between the two batsmen. The drama is still continue. The pressure is still continue. Shbaz Bhai. Amanullah is the bowler. Oh, that's a very good variation. That's a very good line. He has the guts to change his line and length. He's always tried to create hurdles for the batsman. So today Raheel Bhai has to take the responsibility and to prove himself that he is deserving for this place. He's using CD brand of Sialkot. This match is organized by NK Sports. Arslan, Bantu Bhai and Shokat Bhai. Both are the sponsor of this match. Once again, Amanullah Bhai catches the call, but Muzammal Bhai is not interested to take the catch. He's looking a little lazy today. ਜਦੋਂ ਸ਼ਰਤ ਵਾਲਾ ਮੈਚ ਹੋਇਆ ਨਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਦਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਯਾਰ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮੈਚ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਕੰਮ ਲਵਾਤਾ ਸੀ
ਉਹ ਬਟ ਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਟੀਮ ਬੁਲਾਈ ਦੀ ਸੀ ਕੋਈ ਮੋਹ
Amanullah Bhai is the bowler. Good shot! Shot of the day. Hashimpura Properties 10 and 10, 6. So Brad of Sialkot, Raheel Bhai is on fire. He is looking very aggressive. On the other side, Amanullah Bhai is in pensive mood. The next ball of this over. Perfect Yorker this time. Ground shot, that should be a 4. But Vikas Bhai is still over there. Shbaz Bhai is not interested to take the single. Truly a dramatic situation. Truly a complex situation. कुछ नहीं होता नहीं टच लगा दूंगा तो नहीं होता काके क्या नाम था अकमल था इसका नाम हाँ है ना Akmal Bhai is the bowler. Such a fast and furious. Oh, through the cover. Shbaz Bhai is looking very aggressive today. Short boundary is a big problem for the both sides. That should be a 2. Once again, Akmal Bhai is the bowler. Good shot! Shot of the day! Through the mid wickets. That was truly a huge sixer. Truly remarkable. Truly memorable. What a shot! What a player! Little man is a dangerous man. This time he is totally confused. He was unable to understand how to play effectively. ਉੱਥੇ ਬਾਲ ਆਂਦਾ ਸੀ ਆਸਤਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਂਦਾ ਤੇਜ਼
ਪੱਕੇ ਤੇ ਕ੍ਰਾਸ ਬੱਲਾ ਅਗਲੇ ਗਾਰਡ ਦੇ ਗੇਂਦ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਸਹੀ ਕਰ ਛੱਡਦੇ ਤੀਸ ਬਾਲ ਕਰ
Here we go, the next ball of this over. Good shot through the covers. Catches the call. The fielder is still over there. Comfortably taken 2 runs. That's a very good running between the wicket. Shbaz Bhai. That's a huge void. Not a very good line.
ਬੋਨਿਆ
बड़ी सही है.
ਕੋਡੂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਛਿੱਕੇ ਮਾਰਨ ਦਾ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਬਾਲ ਜ਼ਰਾ ਬੈਠਦੇ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਨਾ ਜਲਦੀ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਉਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਜਿੰਜਾ ਨੀਲੀ ਪੇਸ ਹੈ ਜਿੰਜਾ ਦੀ ਪੇਸ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਛਿੱਕਾ ਮਾਰਨ ਦਾ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਪਤਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੱਲਾ ਲਾਣਾ ਛਿੱਕਾ ਜਾਂ ਤੇ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਕੱਚੇ ਹਾਰੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਪਤਾ ਪਤਾ
This time Shbaz Bhai is little annoyed. He is little confused. He is unable to understand.
ਹਾਈਟ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੈ ਪਿੱਤਾਂ ਦੀ
He is truly a fast and furious Akmal Bhai. Oh, what a shot! That should be a six. Yes, it is. That was truly a huge sixer. A truly unbelievable, truly remarkable. Little man is a dangerous man.
काशी भी खेला है ना आया ना बाहर
Rahil Bhai is the batsman on the other side. Vikas Bhai has taken the responsibility to bowl. That's a huge void, not a very good line. Rahil Bhai is the batsman. Consecutive wides, back-to-back wides.
केले डाल के खरोटे दे ते सट्टे करदे मुंडे लाग गए फिर
Vikas Bhai is the bowler. Good shot! That should be a six. That was really a huge sixer. A truly impressive. Same ball, same shot, but catches the call. The fielder is still over there. Oh, nicely taken. Rahil Bhai has to go back. Taimur Jr. is the batsman, such a great all-rounder, setting a good example for his team members. Good shot! That should be a six. Catches the call. Avas Bhai has dropped it on lollipop. He's not interested to take the catch. Simply means that you are committing a suicide. The final decision is a 4 runs. It's a truly a big opportunity for Taimur Jr. to prove himself that he is the best. Good shot, catches the call once again. Akmal is the fielder. Oh, once again he has dropped it on lollipop. 2 consecutive drops catches. So simply you can say that you are breaking the backbone of the bowler. You are killing yourself. You are committing a suicide. Shahbaz Bhai is using RSA brand of Sialkot. A little man is a dangerous man. Good shot, ground shot. Akmal is the fielder. The drama is still continue, misfielding. Comfortably taking 2 runs. Shahbaz is the batsman. Flick of the wrist. Comfortably taken 2 runs. That's a very good running between the wicket. So, Bismillah Rahman Rahim, 50 run is the target. So Vikas Bhai and Muzammal Bhai, both are equally strong. They're truly a sensible batsman. On the other side, Taimur Jr. is the bowler. Perfect Yorker this time, ground shot. That should be a single. Tarak साहब इधर हो जाइयो. Tarak ही ना ना. Tarak Bhai. The second ball of this over. Muzammal is in trouble. He's losing his confidence. But he is determined to bounce back. Nicely taken, 3 runs. Good shot, flick of the wrist. The fielder is still over there. That should be a single. Nicely taken without any hesitation. Taimur Bhai is such a sensible bowler, such a sensible all-rounder. Always try to set a good example for his team member. Here we go, the next ball of this over. Muzammal Bhai is totally confused. He is losing his confidence. He's truly a man of honor, truly a rock solid, but very unfortunately, today is Today he is truly unable to do something very special. Kasbai, a big man is a dangerous man. He's looking very confident today. On the other side, Tamoor Jr. is the bowler. Perfect Yorker this time. That should be a single. Oh, that was very close to the wickets, but this is truly very unfortunate. The, the luck is still continue. That's a great line and length. Tamoor Jr. is truly a sensible bowler. Always try to set a good example for his team member. He's always try to create hurdles for his opponents. He has decided to spoil the reputation of everyone. Doesn't matter who he is. So the next bowler is Shabazz. The little man is a dangerous man. He's truly rock solid, fast and furious, always setting a good example for his team member. So it's a great test because it's a do and die situation for the both teams. Muzammal is the batsman. On the other side, Shabazz Bhai is the bowler. The first ball of this over. That's a huge void, not a very good line. Once again, the first ball of this over. Good shot! Look at that style. Style is the man. Muzammal Bhai. He's on fire. Hashampura Properties 10 on 10, 6. A big man is a dangerous man. He's looking very confident. He's showing his confidence that he can do everything whatever you are expecting. Oh, this time perfect Yorker. He's losing his concentration. He has to focus on the line of the bowler and just try to click the way because it's a batting paradise. Once again, Shabazz Bhai. Oh, that's a huge void, not a very good line. Shabazz Bhai is in trouble. Once again, Shabazz Bhai. What a shot through the covers, catches the call. But there is no one ready to take the catch. Oh, that was very close to the wickets. The drama is still continue. Shabazz Bhai is little annoyed only because of the ridiculous attitude of the fielders. They are not interested to take the ball. They are always ready to show their laziness and craziness. Once again, Muzammal Bhai, a brand of Sialkot, he's on fire. Good shot! Look at that style. Style is the man. Hashampura Properties 10 on 10, 6. That was truly very impressive. He just tried to time the ball. And he has the guts to, change the game. He is truly a game changer. One-man army, Muzammal Bhai. He's truly an entertainer. So it's a big opportunity for Muzammal Bhai. He's using a GF brand. Good shot, flick of the wrist, short boundary is a big problem. So get ready to watch the next ball of this over. Shabazz Bhai is the bowler. Muzammal is the batsman. Oh, what a shot! Shot of the day. Into the stands. That should be a 6. Hashampura Properties 10 on 10, 6. मैच डेड करवाता यार। तीन छक्के लगे ने इन्हू मेरा ख्याल।
स्कोर भी थोड़े ज्यादा
30 runs after 2 overs. So Tamur Jr. has taken the responsibility to prove himself that he is deserving for the best. He's truly a man of honor. He's truly a man of crisis. So the first ball of this over.
दे दो ना
Good shot, flick of the wrist. That should be a six. Yes, it is.
मैं ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਵਾਈਟ ਸ਼ਰਟ ਜਿਹਨੇ ਪਾਈ ਦੀ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਚ ਬਾਲ ਕਰਾਈ ਪੈ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਖੇਡੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਵਾਈਟ ਸ਼ਰਟ ਤੋਂ ਲੱਭਦੇ ਹੀ ਬਾਲ
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਇੱਕ ਦੋ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਹੀ ਖੜਾ ਲਓ ਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਾਲ ਫੜਦੇ ਨੇ।
ਆ ਫੇਰ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਚ
ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਬੜੀ ਸਹੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਬੜੇ ਸਹੀ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ। So get ready to watch the next ball of this over. Oh, short boundary is a big problem for the both side. That should be two. Lucas Boy is the batsman. Oh, the final decision is a white ball. Good shot, ground shot. That should be a single. Oh, देखो 3 फील्डर के 3 ने ड्रॉप कर देता है। क्या सही फील्डिंग हो रही है। Lucas Boy is the batsman. Good shot. Through the mid wickets. That should be a 6. Actually, it's a one-sided match. Lucas Boy is truly a game changer. The next ball of this over. That's a very good variation. Tamur Bhai is the bowler. That's a very good variation. He has the guts to deceive the batsman. Such a great deceiver. Such a sensible bowler. Such an economical bowler.
बड़ा चला है बॉलर नहीं वो नहीं आना नैना गला रोबन से ना दाढ़ी ये मुंडे की ऐनक लगाई दे दे
वो नहीं है।
वो नहीं आना वो सही बॉलर नहीं तेज सी अच्छा डेढ़ इंदा सी बॉलर शायद 10
7 runs required in the final over. Haji Sarfaraz has taken the responsibility to bowl. That's a very good variation. There is a huge gap between ball and bat. Such a great deceiver, such a sensible bowler.
वाइड बॉल सी
सही है बॉल,
लेकिन मैंने लगता ब्रेक पिछे होया बॉल जा
सही बॉल।
ने वीडियो बहावा इन वाइड
मैंने वीडियो बंद करनी पैनी।
काजे बंद करके दोबारा
Muzammal is the batsman. Such a sensible batsman, always setting a good example for his team member. Today he is doing nothing special today, but in this match he has proved himself that he has the ability to bounce back. Ground shot, that should be a single. हाली एक स्कोर है कि दो हो गए ने?
ਵਾਈਟ ਵਾਲ ਹੈ ਜੇ
अच्छा, दो हो गए ने फिर. Waqas is the batsman. Perfect Yorker. But this time, Haji Froz is in trouble. That should be a six. So Waqas Bhai has won the match. A truly a one-sided match. A truly a huge victory. Allah Hafiz.